In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets Commodities. First, a quick foundation. On IC Markets, commodities are traded as CFDs, or contracts for difference. That means you're not buying bars of gold or barrels of oil. You're simply speculating on whether the price will move up or down. This lets you go long when you expect a rise, or short when you think prices may fall. The main categories you'll find are metals like gold and silver, energy such as oil and natural gas, and agricultural products including wheat, coffee, and sugar. Let's get your charts open. Launch MT4, MT5, or C-Trader and head to the Market Watch window. Right-click inside it and choose Show All to reveal every available symbol. Now look for commodity symbols, for example, XAUUSD for gold, XTIUSD for oil, and XAGUSD for silver. These are your commodity pairs. Double-click or drag one onto a chart to load live pricing and start your analysis. If you don't see the exact symbol at first glance, use the search bar or expand folders until it appears. Before placing a trade, understand what typically moves these markets. Commodities are highly sensitive to supply and demand. Oil reacts to changes in global supply and geopolitics. Gold often responds to inflation expectations and the strength of the US dollar. Agricultural products can swing on weather patterns and crop reports. Compared to many forex pairs, fundamentals often play a bigger role here, so it helps to keep an eye on news and economic calendars alongside your technicals. Now, placing a trade follows the same workflow you already know from forex. Click New Order, select the symbol, such as AUUSD for gold, and choose Buy if you believe price will rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. Set your lot size carefully. Larger lots increase both potential profits and potential losses. Add a stop loss to cap risk and a take profit to secure gains, then click Place Trade. Here's a simple example. Suppose gold is trading around 2,000 and you expect a move higher. You buy XAUUSD at 2,000, set a stop loss at 1980, and a take profit at 2040. If price climbs, you're positioned to profit. If it drops, your loss is limited to roughly that 20-point move. A final word on risk. Commodities can be very volatile, especially oil and gas. IC Markets offers high leverage, sometimes up to 1:1,000, which amplifies both gains and losses. Manage position size, always use a stop loss, and avoid over-leveraging. Many traders lose money when risk control is an afterthought.